音が良くなったね。でもこの後やっぱり内装にちょっとハンドルもそうだし、ヘッドライナーもそうだし、はい、
これ大丈夫だよ。
ハンドルは、でもこの周辺、このプラスチックの部分とか、ホーンがないじゃん、クラクションが。それもね、ちゃんとしないといけないし、あとダッシュを組み立てたいんだよね。中を仕上げましょう。まずフリオさんにヘッドライナーやってもらおうか。いいね。ここですね。前からちょっとあれどうなってる？消防車、やっとガソリンが入れられるようになるのかな。ここにフリオさんのショップ、この JVN サンズカスタムアパルストリーはフリオさんのところです。Julio, I'm just telling all the fans here, man, that you saved us. We were in big trouble that night. On a country road, we just moved here. We got the RX-7, and we thought it was out of gas. And it's getting dark
Let's just show
outside.
them the video right here.
Yeah, guys, watch the video real quick. You're gonna understand what the situation we're in. Gas gets in. Right there.
今車を押してここまで来れた。
楽しいことばっかりだ
でね、
これはい
い人が車から出て手伝いしてくれたよね。
この人
この人ありがとうね。ガソリンスタンドまで来れました。
ほぼその曲がってまたインストールしたところは
すぐそこ、
あとわずかと
すぐあそこトラックがいるところ。でも疲れた。
それでもうちょっとだから頑張って押してみようと。で途中で2人で押しながら1人のわざわざ降りていてくれた今の人がね手伝ってくれたんでここまで来れた。勉強になった？あとどのぐらいやっちゃう？
あと7分。なんでこうするの？RX-7 フュールパン
これはどっち？
ファン
I'm gonna see if I can get it started, man. I think I got a fuel pump problem or something right now. You're right here?
Yeah, like
I live a few minutes from here too, but I don't think I'm gonna make it right now.
今アレクセも教えて
Proceed to the route.
パパが今車の中に今ダウンヒル
Proceed to the route.
何今一生懸命
Proceed to the route.
Is this it? Wrong house
Proceed to the route.
見える光で光ってる助かったでもなんで RX7 治んないの
フィル燃料ポンプの問題だと思う。
ガス欠だけじゃなかったね
Sometimes bad things happen for good reasons, and if we didn't happen that night, we wouldn't have met you, we wouldn't have met your mom, we wouldn't have met your dad, we wouldn't have met your brother, we wouldn't have made a good friend, and then we wouldn't have figured out what this shop is that we're always driving by on the street, and we never knew what it was. So to find out that you're in the interior business, and that your family is a family-run business, and that we can work with you now after this incident, I mean, I don't know, it makes me feel good. I like stuff like that. I think it's a good thing. After getting to know your mom and dad and seeing your shop, I'm really impressed with what you guys do here, and I'm glad we are getting a chance to work together a little bit.
yeah, I'm glad I met you, and you know we've been doing this for all our life pretty much. My dad has been doing it for over 30 years. My grandfather was he was an upholsterer. So you know we just kind of keep
And
it
you
in the
came from
family.
California like I did,
Yeah.
except you came many years before, right?
It's gonna be 5 years ago.
5 years
from Orange
before,
County.
you opened up a shop here in McKinney, JV and Sons Upholstery here on New Hope Road in McKinney. Family-run business. This is Julio, his brother Diego, his mom, his dad. They're here doing all kinds of stuff, not just car interior stuff. They're doing upholstery for seats. They're restoring old, classic, beautiful seats in here. We'll show you some video of it. And they're super nice people and a nice family. And really, he did not have to stop that night to save us, but he did. And just tells you something about a good-hearted guy. And that mom and dad raised him good. Good guy. Good job, mom and dad. Anyway, man, we're all about thumbs up on the channel.
All right,
and about spreading
thumbs
good
up.
words to people. Guys, check them out. Julio at JV and Sons Upholstery here in McKinney. Thanks.
今日何届いたんだろう松田トリットって書いてあっておおこれだねやっと届きました松田の OEM パーツだねこれはフュールタンクの中に入るフュールセンディングユニットっていうかな日本語でもでも今日やっとこれ車に入れてやっとどのぐらい燃料が入ってるのかちょっと楽しみだねいつも緊張して一応入れるんだけど本当にどのぐらい入ってるのか分かんないから怖くてやっとこれがついてよかったね今結構な作業になりましたねこっちにこのセンディングユニットがあってここの下にちょっとちっちゃいゴムみたいなやつを入れてでこの2つがあるんだけど上がちょっと誰か切ったのでどうにかなんかこれをつなげる方法を見つけて今ワイヤーも見つけてでこっちにタコメーターの方に行くワイヤーも見つけて今からつなげます今はこういう仕組みで反対側もこういう感じになっててこっち側に今つなげましたちゃんと動くかな
Julio が来たよ What's up, Julio?
How's it going?
You made a house call for us tonight. Special thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right, you're going to show us what you made? Oh, I think I see it there in the background.
Oh yeah.
Oh, boy. Wow. Look at that.
The headliner for Derek Center.
That is beautiful, man. Nice job with the purple and the material to match to the seat.
and then the sunroof
Oh, man. Oh, and the sunroof cover. Really nice, man. Thank you. Are you going to help the kid install it now?
Yeah, we're gonna install that, and then I got this cushion.
Oh, you
for
fixed the
seat
cushion
already.
for me.
Oh,
thank
man.
you.
Oh, yeah, they were so thick you
Yeah,
couldn't
they
fit
were
in here
too
before,
thick.
right?
This is beautiful.
Now you can fit it. Nice. Let's see what it looks like.
I think no, they're backwards. Yeah, that's
Oh, this is the other, the other one. Okay.
no, flip it around. That way.
There it is.
Julio knows more than me.
Julio's a JDM fan.
Oh yeah, you can see the little.
We're gonna go
dashboard
see
that
your
we
truck.
brought.
I saw it the other day. I like that. With the, what does it say on there in Japanese?
It says Night Kids.
Night Kids. いいね. Nice, man.
We're initial D fans.
Initial D.
There we go.
Wow. That is looking good.
All thanks to Julio.
Oh, thanks to Julio and his family. They did oh man. Finally. That looks so nice in there. Really cool. And one-off custom stuff too. That was a nice idea.
Yeah.
Very good. Julio, gotta thank you, man.
皆さんこんにちは。スティーブ・デキシェンのあっちゃんです。今日は RX-7 一人で乗ってます。今からパパなしでショーまで行くんだけど RX-7 の調子がすごいいいね。ヘッドライナーもやっと全部入ってやっと運転できてすごい嬉しいのでワクワク楽しんで運転しましょう。今日は楽しい一日になるね。ガソリンメーターもやっと新しいの1週間ぐらい前に入れてやっと4分の3ガソリンが入ってて分かった。ちゃんとどんだけ入ってるのかいつも心配だったので分かります。ボルトメーターも動いてるしこれも全部動いてるしスピードメーターは動いてないんだけど